Hey fam! Preparing ang Alba Fam Bam with our trick or treat event. So pasundo kami ng mga kids ngayon. Syempre may dala tayong hindi pabango. Kasi may pabango sa akin. May dala tayong Nesty for kids. Tsaka mga merienda nila and snacks pati dun sa mga friends nila. So ayan si Mommy Fam Bam pababa na. Let's go. Okay. So, see you later. Bam, welcome to our kotse serye. Hindi pa rin kami umaalis. Hindi pa rin kami nakakaalis. Nagpe-prepare pa ng mga kids.
Okay.
Yan.
Go.
Okay, let's go. The kotse serye begins. Kuya, anong ginawa niyo sa school? Kuya, anong ginawa niyo sa school?
No. I have that.
Kuya, anong ginawa
Mommy,
niyo
can
sa
you
school?
have this?
Hindi ako pinapansin, syempre. Kasi may mga pagkain.
Mommy, can you? I know.
Ano to?
Sa pagkain.
Is it yummy?
And
It's mango, kuya.
pupunta muna kami
Ano niya?
ng Costco gas to gas
South na?
up. Yeah, sa South na. Naka-add na yung stop sa Google Maps ko. So we're all set, ready to go.
Cute.
Ang daming tao sa labas ngayon, ang daming sasakyan, masayang mood. Okay, so punta muna tayo
Okay.
sa bahay.
May nakalimutan lang.
At may nakalimutan lang. Dediretso na rin tayo
Ay,
after ito.
sige po.
So, saan tayo pupunta today? Going to Auburn Bay. Kasi nandun ang sikat na trick or treat event. Isa sa sikat na trick or treat event. At syempre, dun yung bahay ng
I
mga
have number
close
1.
friends namin dito. So, makiki-trick or treat kami sa village nila. Meron din daw dito. Meron din.
Sabi nga, anong ano diba? Humpty
Meron
Dumpty
din.
is the same.
Pero syempre mas masaya na may mga kasamang ibang kumbaga group kayo. Masaya yun.
Hindi ko palang dala yung shades ko. Meron pa ako.
Pumuputok yung labi mo, laba.
Mm.
Pulang-pula ah.
Para trick or
Pulang-pula.
treat.
I wanna go in here.
Ano nga yung cartoon character na pulang-pula yung labi? Hey fam! So, nakapagpagas na kami sa Costco. Successful. Walang pila masyado pero sobrang daming tao. Daming nagdo-drive ngayon sa Stony Trail.
Oo nga. Rush hour din naman kasi. So, uwian ang mga tao.
Uwian plus pupunta lahat ng Halloween trick or treat
Yeah.
event. And then I think yung iba din magli-leave na yan. Kasi Thursday, Friday, pwede na mag-leave din. So, the traffic. Then meron pa atang disgrasya ba yung vlog kanina?
I think so.
May accident sa Stony Trail. So, pupuntahan namin ay Auburn Bay. Yung place ng mga friends namin. So, 25 to 30 minutes away na.
From our place.
2500.
Dulo, yung aming place ay dulo ng northeast.
Sila
sa kanila
nasa
ay
south.
dulo ng south. So imagine the whole of Calgary. Buong Calgary ang trip.
Yeah.
Pero we like their place, their village, they're in a sense parang subdivision kasi
Community niya. Na community.
Gawin lang kami. Chill lang. 100 lang. Kung sa Pinas, takbong pogi lang. Lahat
Oh,
nag-overtake.
Kuya Rabel, look at that. Oh, so many trucks.
Nasa shoulder lang tayo. Daming kids. Graduate na tayo dun sa takbong
O Canada,
Canada.
Canada's national anthem. Yeah. Because in kindergarten, kuya, di ba? You always
They teach you? They teach you?
And
Yeah.
there's a prayer after the Canada.
Oh yes.
Have you memorized the prayer? Do you know?
I don't remember. 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 I don't
It's
remember.
okay.
It's okay, honey.
Okay, can you sing one more? Oh, Canada? Oh.
Oh, kuya, look at that.
Whoa.
Wow.
That's a huge truck.
That's
It's up
up.
to
No.
us.
Oh my God, lumayo ka dyan.
It's propane. Yan talaga. Tapos tingnan mo yung gulong niya, love. Gumagano yung
Oo
gulong niya.
nga eh, visit.
Oh no. Bye.
And just to show you the Calgary Highway.
Hirap ka lang, hindi mo. Bakit hindi? Ba't parang nawala yung ano? Di ba?
Hey girl.
Nawala yung... Pwede mo siyang i-shift from front to back camera. Dito na kami sa Auburn Bay. Ang daming taong naglalakad. Ayun, oh. Sa gilid, oh. Oh, yun, design, oh.
Yeah.
Oh, yun na, yung mga bata umakyat, lab.
Oh yeah, I saw it.
Dito kami puntang school, Auburn Bay School.
Really on the other
Ay, grabe ang lamig. Mali yung shoes ko. Oh no. And everyone's parked here. Sa school nga. Tapos dito manggagaling. I think puno na to. I think so.
Hindi nilalamig tong batang to.
Canadian.
Oh yeah.
Ang lamig-lamig sa Canadian.
You know, ang dami na nilang naglalakad.
Okay.
Ang saya.
Uy, easy.
Easy.
Easy boy. Safety first.
Oh, daddy, wait. Easy, daddy.
Easy.
Up.
Are they going here? Okay, they're not. Okay.
I think no. Yep.
But then on the left side, yeah. Just need to
Woohoo!
be patient. Patience.
There's a lot of
Patience is
trees.
virtue.
There you go.
Oh, slowly lang. Nakakarating din tayo.
I like the houses here.
Oh yeah. There's a pirate.
Yep.
How about daddy? How about daddy and mommy? What's our costume?
we don't have.
I don't have. Maybe I don't need a costume. Yeah? Is it here?
Yeah.
Hi fam! It's super cold. Nandito na kami sa school, Auburn Bay School. Dito kami nag-park. And then look at that! Ang galing ang kulit oh. Nice dino! Nice dino! Kuya! Look who's here! Kuya, go in front. Look who's here. Hi! The dino and the aliens! Are they so happy? They're so happy? Okay. Do you want next year? Do you want to be a dinosaur?
I want to be a alien.
Okay, you want to be an alien? Okay, let's buy that costume. Okay, see you fam! Hanapin lang namin yung mga friends namin. And yung mga bulilits and kiddos din nila. So they're around here. This na kami. And this is the mommy fam. Ayan. Na-prepare yung mga kiddos. Sobrang lamig. It's -4? -3 ba ngayon?
Ata.
Wow.
Yan.
And mali yung shoes ko. Look at that. Look at that. Oh no. Okay. We're trying to look for them. Nandyan lang yan sila. Somewhere. We need to wait for them. Yeah, where? Where are they? Where are they? Okay, let's go. Kuya, let's go. Sakit sa kamay ng lamig. Super lamig. Paano nila na-enjoy yung ganito? Super lamig. Sakit sa kamay, kuya.
Ay, yung treats na ano eh.
Kuya, need to be careful.
Yeah.
Yan daming tao. Daming tao.
Tawid daw tayo dito.
Sino yung sabi? Nag-start na sila, okay. Kuya, here.
Dinosaur.
That's the dinosaur. You say hi to the dinosaur.
Hi, dinosaur.
Okay, where are we going? Trick or treat. You need to say trick or treat, okay? Come on, doon. Go and doorbell. Press the doorbell.
You say trick or treat. You say trick or treat.
Trick or treat. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Wala na ata doon. Tara, let's go.
I know you guys. I know you. Yeah, I saw you from.
Sa soft drinks na agad. The infamous. Wala ka ning gloves, kuya? Wala. Oo. Sige, bubulsa ko lang. Ayan, ang sayan ng mga kids. Everyone's really happy. Ayan, dyan. Lahat ng may open, right? Yeah, whenever the lights open. Let's go. Oh, wow, Angel. Oops. Come on, go. Kuya Davon, follow mommy.
Huh? No, it's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay, mommy.
Ayan na, trick or treat.
Kuya, wait.
Kuya, nandun na ba si Aliana? Sasabay na, after nito, sabay na tayo. Okay, go up na Lian.
First in line. Oh, guys.
Oh, that's scary.
I remember you.
Trick or treat. You love it, Kuya, when you do the trick or treat? You like it?
Wow, we are getting a skeleton.
A skeleton, yeah. Okay, let's go. Let's go to Ate Aliana na. Para sabay na tayo doon sa kanila. Let's go. Ito lang yung time nila talagang masaya sila eh. Event talaga to para sa kanila eh. Oo. Kanina pa kayo dito, kuya? Mararating na nun. Yan si Kuya Alan. Our idol. Follow his page too. Padjak Calgary. Tama ba, kuya?
Padjak,
Oo. Sasali din ako doon. Isang padjak lang. Pagod na. Oh! bridge.
Look, it's there, Daddy.
Oh, wow.
Oh, Spider-Man, kuya. Yes? Tubig nila, Daddy.
Yeah.
This one?
Traffic na ba doon sa sikat na bahay? So meron ditong sikat guys na bahay sa Auburn Bay. Nagbibigay talaga sila ng pop. Pop is soft drinks. Sobrang sikat ng bahay na to. And hi ate!
Hello!
Hi! Ayun na mga girls!
Oh, we have a treat also, but it's
I'm gonna give you a present.
Oh, wow.
It's a Poland. Can open it.
Oh, wow.
Let's go there, let's go there!
Thank you. Good, thank you.
Hi ate Chloe! Yun, saya ng mga bata, oh. Ang dami doon, oh. Ayan na ang fam. The fam bam. Hello!
Number 1 pala ito, lamig.
Oo nga, grabe. Hindi makatao tong lamig na to. Hindi makatao. Ba't may tao pa dito sa Calgary? Ang sakit eh. Ang sakit ng kamay ko.
May wala kang gloves?
Wala nga.
Tago mo na lang dito.
Okay, tatago ko na lang. Yan, so papunta.
A few moments later.
Yeah, that's how they do it. They slide down the goodies. That is awesome.
Now we're here in Florida. It's named Coca-Cola.
Oh, that's how they do it. Okay, you guys press it. Ah.
Yeah, it's awesome. It's so cool.
Ang astig, ang galing. So kakastay namin dito sa site. And kasi pwede ka naman kumuha dyan without lining up. Look at our hall.
Wow, ang dami natin nakuha.
Chips? Siguro mga benteng pop to. Mga benteng pop, pop yan. Oh, daming kinuha ni Lai din eh. Astig eh. Ang bilis eh. Parang 10 ba yun agad, Lai? Parang 10 agad yun nakuha mo kanina. Dalawa lang ba? Apat na. Let's go. Dami. Are you having fun? Are you having fun, guys? Ito. Meron pa dito eh. Here. Okay. So, namigay sila ng chips and namigay din sila ng soda. Okay, let's go. Ang cool nitong bahay. So, meron silang fireplace kasi super lamig nga. And kailangan ko na talaga magstay dito. Hindi ko na kaya. Wala akong gloves. And they have Baileys here. This is so unique.
Yeah, right?
Yeah. Oh, wow. That's awesome. Thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah. I think I'm having some frostbite. It's too... Wow, that's nice. Okay, there you go. Kuya, go there for trick or treat. Oh, you already got one? Okay. Baileys. Bili, ay! Meron, mamimigay siya.
Nakikita mo ba?
Hello! Nasaan si Lianica?
Go, kids! Go!
That is Jack.
Go! Kuya David. Go! Go! It's okay. Mommy's here. Go! Trick or treat! Go!
There you go. You couldn't wait to get home.
Yay! Go!
There you go, unicorn. Hello. There you go. Have a good night, you guys.
Happy trick or treat! Thank you! Leon, your turn.
You like these ones?
Thank you! Okay, good job.
One eternity later.
Hey guys, sa loob na kami ng kotse. Sobrang lamig sa labas. But we're done. Are the kids happy?
Show your treat.
Show your
your
treat.
treat.
Wow. How about Kuya? Alright. You had fun? Both of you had fun?
My look.
Masaya?
Skywalker.
Is you say masaya?
Masaya.
Masaya. Okay. And then, now, papunta lang kami. So, kakain na kami. Kailangan namin ng mainit na sabaw. So, magdi-dinner lang kami somewhere. And then, that's it. That's for the trick or treat event. See you later. Hey fam, kakauwi lang namin. Napatulog na namin yung mga kids. So, tiring day but super fun. Nag-enjoy sila. Ang lamig-lamig sa labas. Umabot ng I think -4. So kanina yung mga kamay ko masakit na. Tsaka yung mga paa ko masakit na. Tapos mali pa yung shoes ko, love, kasi rubber shoes na breathable shoes pa talaga. So hindi siya hindi siya snow, hindi siya cold proof. So that's it for tonight. And we went to this restaurant called Bubble Mania. Sarap ng chicken wings nila, must try. And must try din yung bubble tea, syempre. Taro, milk tea, taro, then ube halaya, milk tea, and then must try din yung fried rice nila. So, super fun. Nag-enjoy kami with the company of our friends. And yeah, that concludes our Halloween. So, like, watch, and subscribe. See you on the next video. Hang loose.